Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. And as you can see here, we've got the list of the languages which are, let's say, currently applied, but this list is more or less a shortcut of all of the languages which we are using. We've got 3 of them in my case, so let's begin with adding new one. We have to tap on other languages, and here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. I will pick Greek. Your device will ask you whether you want to apply the new language as a default one, so just tap on apply, and as you can see it will be immediately applied to the very first position of this list, and it means that from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show you how to change the language if you've got more than one language is added here. So let's pretend I'd like to set English again. We do not have to enter more languages just like before. All we have to do is to tap on the language and hold it, and then drag it to the very first position. And after releasing the finger, your device will immediately apply the new language as a default one. Of course, if you want to, you can also remove the languages from this shortcut list, let's say. All you have to do is to tap on this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now let's mark those languages which we'd like to delete and tap on remove. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.